Adobe Photoshop is a registered trademark of Adobe Systems Incorporated, and I am in no way affiliated with Adobe.
Okay guys, so in this clip I'm actually going to desaturate. So with this desaturation dialog box up, you can see our mask is selected. We have already selected, we have gone to the edit menu to unlock the eyedroppers, and we have sampled what we want to be desaturated. So all we have to do is simply slide the saturation toolbar down, and it's actually going to not work for me here. Hold on one second. Hit cyan and click on the sky. Now click desaturate. As you can see, it desaturated the sky for us. And that's just by clicking cyan. Basically, it works because it samples anything that is cyan. So say for instance there was cyan somewhere else in the image, it's going to take it out. So if it does take it out, you can actually go back and clean it up with the history brush. And what I mean by that is, say for instance we wanted to sample a color in the church. Now I just clicked on this church, and of course the color of the church is basically the same color of the background. So if we desaturated the background, that's going to happen. It's going to take out the background, and we can clean that up simply by using the history brush, and I'm going to show you that in the next step. So hit OK, and we're going to move on.